Google is a big part of today's society. People use Google to search for answers for their homework, for food recipes, for the latest news, for the latest games, and so much more. People practically use Google every day. And now, what if I told you that you can earn money just by doing that? With just one search on Google, you can earn at least $1,000. And that's a lot of money. There is a website that pays you to use Google. All you have to do is search for a specific thing on Google, gather some information, and then submit it to that website. Now, what website is this? How can this website pay you for just searching on Google? We know that you might have a lot of questions on your mind about this website. Interested in knowing more about this website? Then you should watch this video. This method of earning money that we will show you is 100% free. You don't need to pay money or make an investment to start off. You can do this right away in the comfort of your own home. This is absolutely available worldwide. You can do this from anywhere and any part of the world without restrictions or limitations. You don't need knowledge or prior experience to do this. All you need is a mobile phone or a laptop and an internet connection. Almost everyone can do this. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. Today, we're going to show you two websites that can help you earn money easily. The first website that we're going to use today is called Mightsumo.com. Mightsumo is a crowdsourced website where different companies get ideas from different people. If we scroll to this part of this page, we can see that different companies post a bunch of different questions. These questions are related to the company's projects. They get ideas from this website and integrate some of these ideas into their projects. Users of this website answer the questions posted, and whichever idea the company likes, they get the idea and pay that specific user for it. And this is what we're going to do today. We're going to give ideas to companies on this website. We do not need to think of our own ideas. We can just use the power of Google. We will show you later on in this video on how you can use Google to generate ideas for these companies. If you look at this section, we can see some of the brands and the companies that use this website to gather ideas for their different projects. This website has been working with big companies like Pepsi, Avon, Microsoft, Yahoo, and many more. Now you know that your time on this website will be all worth it. We can see here how much money we can make by using this website. It can be $800, $1,000, $1,600, and more. There's a lot of money to be made here. Just a single Google search can let you earn so much. To begin, we need to create an account. Creating an account on this website is super simple and easy to do. Just follow these steps carefully to successfully create an account. Step 1. Go to the website Mightsumo.com. The website should look like this. Step 2. At the upper right section of the website, you can see the button Login or Sign Up. Just click this button and this will appear. Step 3. Click on Don't Have an Account Yet option and you will be redirected to this page. Step 4. Just fill up this form with the necessary information. In rating your skills on this section, you should put either average proficiency or above average proficiency, regardless of your skill level. This will give you a higher chance of making money on this website. Now answer these two questions right here and check the boxes to agree with the terms and conditions and privacy policy of the website. And finally, for step 5, just click on the sign up button if you have completed answering the form. Now you are a registered user of this website. Now we are going to demonstrate how you can earn money on Mightsumo. So don't stop watching till the end to learn how to make money online. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Back to the video, once you have logged into your account, you can see the list of questions or challenges the companies post on this website to ask for ideas from the users. All you have to do now is answer these questions and earn money. Before we show you this method, we need to open a new Google tab on your browser to get ready. Next, we need to look for a question that we want to answer. We can find tons of questions here, and if you look at this section, we can filter the questions and the challenges for specific topics. Topics can be business, engineering, computer science, food science, mathematics and science, humanities and arts. Just filter the questions based on the topics that you think you are well versed in and you would like to answer. For example, we choose this topic. The website then filters the questions to show only challenges or questions related to that topic. Now we choose one question that we will answer. When we click on a question, this page pops up. It will show us what this project is all about and what the question is all about. You can also see how much the company is willing to pay for the ideas of the users and how many users submit their ideas. Only users whose ideas were selected will earn money. So just because you answered a question and gave your ideas does not mean that you are automatically earning money. Sometimes your answers and ideas will not be selected, but that's okay. There are still a lot of questions that you can answer on this website. And companies don't just select one idea, they select 3 to 5 or even hundreds of ideas from users on this website. You still have a high chance of earning money here, so you don't have to worry. Now what we need to do is copy the question right here, and on the Google tab that you've opened earlier, you just paste the question on the search bar, just hit enter, and now we can see the search results. You can just pick any articles here on Google that answers the question that you have searched. An example of an article is this one. If this article is too short or does not meet your standards, then you can just look for another article. Do not worry, there are tons of information here on Google, so you won't run out of articles to choose from. And the great thing is all the articles that appear in Google search results are all professionally written. So these answers have a high chance to be selected by companies and you can earn money. Once you have chosen an article to copy, on the next tab, we search for Google Docs. Now we just click the first link and it will redirect us to this page. What we want is to create a new document and paste your answer right here. The longer the answer, the higher chance for us to make money. This is because a longer answer introduces more ideas and makes your answer more profound, which leads to more money being earned. If you want to edit the document, you can do so. You can change the font, edit some text, change the colors of some text, change the text style of important information to make it bold or underline it, and many more. You can even add your own ideas to the mix. Once you are done editing the document, you click on the File tab right here, go to the Download option, and download it as PDF. When you're finished downloading it, it will look something like this. Just make sure that your document looks really professional with no errors. You are now ready to submit on Mightsumo. Just go back to the website and submit it here. Now wait for your answer to be selected and you can earn money. You can do this as many times as you want. Find a question that you want to answer, search the question on Google, find some answers or articles relating to the question, paste those answers on a Google Doc, edit, save it, submit it, and earn money. It will take you less than a minute to do this method. So you can do this as many times as you want without worrying about how much time you lose. So what are you waiting for? This is an easy way to make money online for free. You can even share this with your friends and family so they too can start earning. Start today and earn lots of money. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.